Hi folks, it's again Ashish from ashvircreations and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another day, another video. Happy to see again all of your smiling faces. Well guys, today in this video I'm gonna show you how you can create a very dark, moody with cinematic effect kind of futuristic concept for your Instagram in Photoshop. If you still not subscribed to our channel, then kindly do subscribe and visit our website, that is www.ashvircreations.com and filterpreset.com to download free preset in the form of mobile lightroom, DNG preset, camera preset, lots and many more cool stuff just for free. And also guys, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, just type ashvircreations. So guys, before any further ado, let's get straight into the video. Till then guys, be creative and be awesome, and guys, stay safe at your home. So guys, this is the original photo which I have captured at my home studio, which I have created. If you haven't watched that video, then I'll just put the link in the description, so you can also capture such kind of photo at your home by creating an amazing photo or portraits just like with newspaper. So the guys, very first thing we're gonna do is just go to the duplicate the image, and we're gonna just reduce the highlights from the image. So just go to the filter, select the camera, and you need to reduce the whiteness, also the highlights of the photo, and add a vignette to the effect just like this, because it was actually very much over whitish photo, overexposed, so we have to decrease and make it more darkish effect. So we are reducing the highlights and whitish effect from the photo. Now add a layer mask on it and select the brush tool and just delete it from the face and also on the hand region, because we want the brightness or the brighter part to be seen in the photo, because we don't want a dark effect on the face. So we are erasing it. You can also use eraser tool, but here I have added a layer mask on it, so that I can undo anytime whatever kind of adjustment I want. I can just redo and undo the process of erasing the photo or anything from the photo. So it is very much important to add a layer mask on this photo. Now we are going to create or add this falling, that the burning particles of the paper, burning paper particles flying over here and there. This PNG you can just download from the links in the description. I'll just put it for free for you guys. Now we're gonna just drag and drop over here, or you can just copy and paste. Just right click on it and select rasterize layer, so you can just do the adjustment, whatever kind of adjustment you want, you can do it. Now here the next important thing we're gonna do is, first of all we'll add fire PNG to the photo. So I'm gonna add this fire PNG to the photo. Change the blending mode to screen. Now let's add a dark black effect to the photo, because we want the darkest effect. So we are going to create a very darkest effect over here and change the opacity of that layer to around 16 to 15%. Now let's add some more dark or smoke PNG or the smoke image over here, natural and realistic. So we're gonna just use this, just drag it and drop over here, and we're gonna just place this over somewhere here, because that will create an amazing original effect. This fire image is particularly kind of very amazing and realistic image, so it is very much important to use this kind of fire images on your photos. Other two PNG are very much unreal kind of looking, so we're gonna just remove it later. So let's just select that one and just remove that both the PNGs. Now let's duplicate the smoky PNG. Just right click on it and select duplicate, or directly press Ctrl J from the keyboard. Let's do the same process on this PNG also, because this will brighten up it and make it look more enhanced. So we are going to duplicate, and let's just erase a little bit of portion from over here. Now let's again duplicate the layer by pressing Ctrl J, and we're gonna just place this somewhere on front of the image or the photo, somewhere on this position. In this, but you have to guys keep in mind that your photo. So let's, with the help of eraser, we are going to delete the unwanted, the particles or the falling that peppers, burning peppers. You're gonna just delete it with the help of eraser, because we want model's face or the body to look more clear. So we are going to delete this on face of models. So let's just add some more PNG or the that fire to the photo, just like this way. And change the blending mode to screen. Now we place this fire in such a way that it look more realistic, and it may merge it with the kind of background. Let's duplicate one more, and so that it may look like perfect kind of pepper is actually the burning. So you have to place that somewhere like this. Let's create new layer below the fire and just change fill it one stroke of the brush with the black color, and change the blending mode to multiply and opacity to around 10% would be pretty perfect, because we want kind of dark wood behind the fire, right? So we are going to add that blackish layer on there. Now we're gonna just go to this layer, and we have to change the yellow color of this to red stone. So all you need to do is press Ctrl U from the keyboard and just make the slider around minus 15 or 10 would be pretty perfect. Now we are going to add some smoke to the photo, because you can see if the place is burning, then it is definitely that you have to, your photo also would contain some kind of smoke here and there. So we're gonna just place this PNG or the photo over here and change the blending mode to screen. So you can see this one is really looking very much perfect for your photo. Let's place this below the fire photo and below that burning peppers photo. Now you can see. Now again press Ctrl J from the keyboard, and we're gonna just duplicate it, this layer. Again let's just create new layer below that, the smoke layer, and we're gonna just fill it with the black tone, because we want to see perfectly the shadows, right? So we are adding this that smoke below the smoke layer, we are adding the black color tone. Now again just press Ctrl J from the keyboard and just make a more copy of this smoke somewhere over here, and just place this on the leg portion of the model, so that it may look kind of moody, dark, smoky effect. Now let's just merge all the layers. Right click on it and select merge layers. And now guys, I'm gonna do the manual adjustment in camera. So the next process would be of color grading. So let's just go to the filter, select the camera filter, and so guys, Jordi Quality inspired preset I'll be giving you in the link in the description, so you can just download it for free and just apply it and just turn your photo editing game to a next level. This preset guys, I have already saved the adjustment and everything. I have already perfectly created for you. So all you need to do is just install that preset and just apply it to your photo. That's it. So I'll put the link of this preset in the description, so you can just download it for free. Let's add some vignette to the photo, which will make your photo to look more moody and dark effect, which is pretty perfect, I guess. Let's increase a little bit of vibrance, or let's just decrease it. Increase the sharpness of the photo, and here done guys. You can see we have color graded. After color grading the process of the photo, your photo is totally looking very perfect and kind of amazing. So guys, you can see the difference. Here is the before and here is the after. Huge difference can be seen here in the photo, from normal to kind of very cinematic. So guys, I hope you all have enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed, then just smash the like button so that it will motivate me to make more videos like this for you guys for free. And if you still not subscribed to our channel, then kindly do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified of our videos and presets. Also visit our website, that is www.ashvircreations.com for free preset, and also visit my second website, that is www.filterpreset.com. On that website also you're gonna find premium collection of presets just for free. And also guys, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, just type ashvircreations. So guys, thank you for watching and bye bye till the next video.